was out here about 10 minutes ago and I did a whole video and the stupid battery died and I lost the video. And I'm pretty sure you can see who that is. Hello again. It's a cub. Just double checking. See this. Hello, birdie. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Huh? Wait. Well, I'm glad you don't like that I come out here, but I only know that you do that and then you come right back again. And you're too small to be my cub from last year. Now, it's actually lighter out than what it is in the camera. And before my battery dies out, you can tell that that's me. Back of my head. There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. That's like sick. Insane. Pretty close. But, chomp, chomp, chomp. I know, I'm watching my back. I'm watching you big time. See, that's why the dogs were barking too the other night. I bet you had something to do with that, didn't you? Bet you did. I bet you did. Alright, let's try this.